Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with thewealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how I made $100 last week in one day and if it was worth it or not. And before we dive in, if you are ready for financial freedom right now, comment freedom below in the comments. And if you are serious about fast tracking your financial freedom, then click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. All right, so let's talk about how I made $100 in one day last week. And if it was worth it or not, because I know people are looking to make more money or extra money in different ways. So I want to share with you this one experience. So what I did was I signed up with Scene One Casting, and it is a company that finds extras for movies. So I was an extra in a movie, and it was an all-day thing. So it was 12 hours, and you got paid $100 at the end of the day. So let me just go into detail on what kind of happened throughout the day, and then you can decide if this is something that you might want to do or if it wouldn't be worth it to you. So what I did was I set up my profile on their website, and I submitted a picture and my measurements, and then the availability that I had. So they just had a list of dates, and I selected which dates I was available. And then a couple days later, I got an email saying they booked me for the certain day and to confirm by 10 a.m. the next morning, or they would choose someone else. So luckily I saw the email and replied with confirmed. And then the night before the actual day that I was supposed to go, they sent me an email saying where the location was and the exact location. In the first email, they said it would be, in Salt Lake. They didn't give an exact address, but I at least knew that much. So they sent the exact address the night before and the time that I was supposed to show up, and then what to wear. And they wanted me to bring extra clothes so I could change my outfit if they wanted to do multiple outfits that day, or if they didn't like what I was wearing, then I could change into a different outfit. So that's what I did. So I brought my outfits with me and I showed up at the scheduled time and the scheduled place, and they just had me fill out their paperwork. We filled out a W-2 form, signed their non-disclosure, so pretty simple. And then I went over to wardrobe, and she looked at my outfits and had me put on a different outfit. So they had some trailers there you could change in. So I changed my outfit, and there were about 50 of us, 50 extras. So we kind of just sat around, I think, for a couple hours, waiting until they were ready for us. And once they were ready, then they brought some shuttles over and they shuttled us to the place where they were going to be filming and had us all sit in this room, just a table and chairs. And we kind of sat there. Some people read a book, some people got on their phones. I played cards with a few people. And when they were ready, they came out and said, okay, we need a few people for this particular scene. So I got chosen for that scene and went in, and the actors were all set up in their spots, and they set up the extras that they brought in. And so we just kind of pantomimed. We pretended to talk to one another, and then we clapped because they were doing a show for us. And then so they did that scene a few times. They did a few takes with it, and then they sent us back into the holding room, and then they called in just a few more people, and we did another scene for them, and then we sat around and waited for a while, and they also fed us lunch, which was nice, and they had snacks for us, and then they pulled in a few more people toward the end, and we did another scene, and then they had us go back to the holding room, and then they let us go toward the end of the day. So they shuttled us back to the place where we had parked our cars, and they gave us our $100 and we signed for it, and then we left. So that's how I made $100 in one day. And was it worth it or not? I think it was, to do it this one time. I'm not looking to become an actress. That's not really my thing. So it was kind of fun just to see how the process works and to meet some new people. That's always nice, and and make $100. So it was fun for that day. I don't see me doing it every day. Maybe I would do it, a few more times. It's just something different, something new, which is always nice to kind of mix up your day, right? So I just wanted to share this with you guys and, just get you thinking about different ways that you could make some extra money to, pay off your debt or to invest or to put into your emergency fund, whatever you need the extra money for, or just play money. But hopefully this, just kind of gives you another idea and you can start to research online and maybe there's some extras they need in your area, or there's some other things that you could do to make a little extra money. So if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please like it and share it with someone else who would like to hear this information, and post some other ways that you have made money besides your 9-to-5 job. I would like to hear those ideas, and I'm sure other people would as well. And if you have other ideas that you would like me to create content about, then post that in the comments as well, and I can create more videos for you guys. And if you are serious about fast-tracking your financial freedom, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks!